Good morning, guys. Started out the day by reading some of these. I really gotta get one of them. Don't give me any commercials stickers or any of these magazines because it's a waste of resources. I don't want to promote this, but I checked them out just so they wouldn't, just so these trees didn't die for nothing. But of course, as always, I didn't really find any good deals. I'm gonna go shop now. Not sure what I'm gonna get. I want to go to Greece. This cold's making me want to go even more. Gosh. Been holding the phone. It's too much, man. I gotta get out of here. Had a few bottles. Alright, guys. Got a few things that were for sale. I'm going home now to show you the haul. Running low on money though. Alright, here we go, guys. I got some chicken kebab today. It was a bit cheaper. And I still have 2 breads from yesterday I gotta finish. Got a cheap mixed salad. 4 garbage bags. These were half price. And these were half price as well. Rolled oats. 5 krona. Pretty cheap. And I got some soda. Yep. 2 liters of milk. And I forgot to hand in my receipt for the bottles. I'm gonna do that next time I'm there. I fell asleep listening to 40k lore. Check how cozy it's been. I had a dream while I was sleeping that in the dream, I'm not sure what country we were in, but that my mom had gotten her shit together. And that this was back when Mike was still alive. That Mike and me and all my siblings, even my youngest little brother, that his American friend from Portugal also was there with us. And it was a huge place, like multiple stories, and we had like an old courtroom with like granite plates for leaning your back to, and there was like a big swimming pool, like old ancient stuff from Greek times, and like we could sit out on the roofs, and like it was just a massive, unrealistically huge complex. And Mike was there, the others were there, everyone was happy, we were living together. Snap back to reality. I gotta make some dinner. Gotta make chicken durum. Check it out. Oh, this is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be really good. I got soda as well. I'm gonna listen to this this video by Luton about the Emperor of Mankind from Warhammer 40k. I used to watch this guy back in the Battlefield 3 days, but he makes great 40k lore. So, itadakimasu.